What's up, YouTube? So today doing carpets in the RV place, repair parts place actually. And as you can tell, the carpets are very soiled, but it's gonna make out for a good video, I hope. So I'm gonna go ahead and use carpet detail on here. If I run into any issues, I got some good spotter solution mixed up. So I'll put down some pre-spray and then do some agitation and get to cleaning. Alright. Nice. Okay, so pre-scrubbed everything. Everything looks lightened up a whole bunch. Right. I think it's gonna come out for a great clean. So right now I'm just going around to a few dark spots I seen. And I'm hitting these with this. Looks like we got some gum here and there. You will notice a lot in my videos, I do a lot of prep work before I actually extract. I make sure everything's nice and scrubbed. Special attention to spots here and there. Alright, so I'm going to pull out my hose. I figure I might as well hit this gum spot before I get to extracting too. Not sure what that is. This almost seems like it's some kind of glue. I think I've seen another spot back here. Yep, right there. did that side. Have not did that side. Take a mental picture of that. Pause. Focus, focus. It's like magic, you know? I don't know if I like doing this job too much. That's a good thing, I think. Alright. Looks good to me. Everything's going to lighten up as it dries. These were some really heavily soiled areas, so not going to be perfect, but once it dries, I don't think you can be able to tell anything. I did pump up the pre-spray with some degreasing, and did put a rinse on it, so I used all fiber rinse to rinse it. Anytime you pump up the pre-spray or the pH, you need to use a neutral rinse on it so you don't get some weird stuff happening. Alright, well, I'm going to let the people know and wrap this up, so thanks for watching. I'll put some before and afters after this video, and have a good one. See you in the next. So I'm draining this at the local car wash. It's legal to drain in the car wash, in case you didn't know. If you wash your van or cars here, I don't see why they'd have any problem with you doing this. I've never been approached, so. Alright, now I'll see you in the next video. Wow.